can almost guarantee there was no reference to a place called Bubblehead City, but I don't remember what they did sing. It was just something to that general rhythm, so that's what I'm singing, just to have a rhythm match. All the people of Bubblehead City, da 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 da, la 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 la, something something something, a great big pole, la 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 The only lyrics that I'm pretty strong on is that little bit about, and it sounds like they're singing in a hole. The melody and the rhythm, on the other hand, is pretty much spot on.